Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am happy to share a quick and easy beef stir fry recipe. It's packed with flavor. It comes together in just 30 minutes. This simple delicious recipe is sure to satisfy your cravings, so if you love this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty ideas, and share it with your friends and family to spread the love of cooking. So to get started, I've got my beef ready. That's what it looks like. It's about less than half a pound we're using for this recipe. We're going to open the beef, take it out the packet, show you guys what it looks like. Then we're going to get our kitchen shears and we're going to cut this beautiful piece of beef into small thin slices to make this delicious beef stir fry recipe. Okay guys, so while cutting this beef, be very careful with your fingers. If you're using a kitchen shears or if you're using a knife to cut the beef, be very careful, okay? Okay, so that's what the beef looks like, guys. It looks pretty good. As I said before, try to cut the beef into small thin slices. Once I'm done completely cutting this beef up, I am going to go off camera. I'm going to wash the beef. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how to make this recipe. So this is a quick and easy recipe. It comes together in just 30 minutes. Okay, so it's one of those recipes that you want to keep at hand because it's simple, it's flavorful, and it's a quick recipe. So once the beef is completely cut and washed, this is what it looks like. We're going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch onto the beef. We're going to mix that in. And that's what it looks like so far. That looks pretty good. As you guys can see, we're going to go in with our low sodium soy sauce. We're going to give that a very nice mix. In the meantime, we're going to get our pot ready. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. Make sure it's on medium heat. Once the pot is nice and hot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the pot, just like that. Then we're going to place the beef into the pot. We're going to fry on both sides for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and crispy. So that's what the beef looks like so far. You want to flip it over to the opposite side. You want to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure it's nice and crispy on both sides. So once the beef is fully cooked through, we're going to remove the beef from the pot. We're going to get our veggies ready. And that looks pretty good, guys. As you guys can see there, it's nice and crispy. The smell is so delicious, guys. I wish you guys could smell this from through the camera. It has this nice, beautiful smell. So delicious. Now we are going to get some fresh onion ready. So we're going to add some fresh onion to the pot. We're going to saute the onion for just 30 seconds. So I like my veggies to be very crunchy, guys. So if you like your veggies very crunchy, you can just, saute for 30 minutes. I'm sorry, 30 seconds, okay? And that looks pretty good, just like that. We're going to add some fresh pepper to the pot, so you can use whatever pepper you have, red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, whatever color of pepper you have, you can use that for this recipe. We're just going to saute for another 30 seconds again. Then we're going to go in with some fresh broccoli. So these broccolis and veggies already washed, so we're going to place them into the pot just like that. Like I said, if you like your veggies crunchy, just saute for 30 seconds, okay? And that looks beautiful, guys. As you guys can see, the broccoli is fresh, it's nice and green. We're going to go in with some minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you can use that for this recipe. I don't have fresh garlic at hand right now, so I am just going to add my minced garlic to the pot, give that a very nice mix. Now we are going to add some ground ginger for this recipe. If you have fresh ginger, that will do as well. Now we are going to mix to combine all the ingredients into the pot. As you guys can see right there, the veggies looks very crunchy and it looks delicious. It smells really good. Now is the perfect time to add our beef to the pot, guys. This beef looks so beautiful. Look at that. The color is nice and brown. It's fully cooked through. We're going to give that a very nice mix. We're going to just let it simmer for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this delicious, flavorful beef stir fry recipe. this is the final results of our beef stir fry recipe, flavorful beef stir fry recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye, guys.